In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gift card to PayPal. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can use your gift card balance when checking out with PayPal online. Before you start, make sure your gift card has a visible card number, an expiration date, and a security code, sometimes called a CVV. Most Visa, MasterCard, and similar prepaid gift cards can be added like a regular credit or debit card, as long as they're activated. First, open your web browser and go to your PayPal account dashboard. If you're not already logged in, sign in with your usual PayPal credentials. Once you're on the main summary page, you'll see an overview of your balance, recent activity, and accounts linked to PayPal. Next, look for the option labeled Wallet in the menu at the top or near the top of the page and click on it. The Wallet section is where PayPal keeps all your funding sources, like cards and bank accounts. Inside your wallet, find and click on the button that says Link a Card or Bank. This is the general option for adding new ways to pay. Because we're adding a gift card that acts like a credit or debit card, you'll now want to choose the option that says Link a Credit Card. Don't worry about the wording. In this context, your gift card is treated just like a credit or debit card. A form will appear asking for your card details. Click into the card number field and carefully type the full card number exactly as it appears on your gift card. Take your time here and double check, because a single incorrect digit can cause an error. Then move to the expiration date field and enter the month and year printed on the card. After that, click into the CVV or security code field and type the 3-digit code from the back of the card. Again, make sure everything matches what's on the physical card. Next, open the billing address drop-down. Select the correct billing address that matches what's registered to the gift card. For many prepaid cards, you may need to register an address on the card issuer's website first, so if you get an error, that's something to check. Once all the details look correct, click on the Link Card button. PayPal will process the information, and if everything matches, your gift